This guy thinks a Rimac Nevera can't beat Jesko Absolut, while Rimac Nevera beats a Chiron Tears of Joy Tears of Joy Tears of Joy.
Let's see what Jesko Absolut really does against the Rimac Nevera in 1 mile drag race, since there is no drag race in real life but we can do simulations.
Oh, Rimac Nevera is just gone.
0 to 400 kilometers per hour 18.8 seconds amazing. But it was useless against Rimac Nevera in a drag race. And yeah, nobody cares about 300 miles per hour or 482 kilometers per hour. Top speed in a drag race anyways.
Meanwhile, the Chiron SS against Rimac Nevera in a real drag race.
2, 1.
And yeah, Chiron SS is much closer to Rimac Nevera than the Jesko Absolut was Tears of Joy.
Chiron SS lost to Rimac Nevera at 1/4 mile by 3 car lengths. Yeah, at least it's not 50 car lengths behind like Jesko Absolut.
Oh good, he beat me off the line. Let's see if I can, how much, yeah!
Chiron SS launched much harder than Rimac Nevera and stayed ahead till 100 miles per hour. As you can see, it's impressive.
Bye! See ya!
We'll pass the Rimac Nevera around 220 to 230 mph. Chiron SS 300 plus 180 minus 250 miles per hour is over 10 seconds. Faster than production Rimac Nevera. That's why Chiron SS 300 plus will beat Rimac Nevera 1 mile. But I got a Chiron Super Sport Cam. Its top end is much slower, because of restrictions and speed limiters.
Chiron has many restrictions and speed limiter. It slowly crawls to 261 miles per hour and hits the limiter. Without speed limiter it does 290 miles per hour 465 kilometers per hour. While Chiron SS 300 Plus has no speed limiter, so it kept accelerating at its true pace and hit 304.77 miles per hour.
Top-end acceleration comparison between the Jesko Absolut and Chiron SS 300 Plus. Chiron SS 300 Plus hits 414 km per hour. Jesko Absolut reaches 413 km per hour. Chiron SS is clearly faster on top-end acceleration. Now 280 to 410 km per hour. Not much difference. Chiron SS is not full throttle from 280 to 340 km/h. He exited banking at 330 km per hour. That's why Jesko Absolut 290 to 350 km per hour looks quicker. But from 354 to 415 km per hour, Chiron SS 300 Plus is clearly faster than Jesko Absolut.